All right, we are moving right along through the skeletal system, and today's lesson is short. Today is on the types of bone. Okay, so again, we're in the skeletal system, and now we're moving on to types of bone. There are two main bone types that are based on histology. So we have compact bone, and most people, when they think of bone, think of compact bone. It's dense, it's strong, it can withstand force, and it's what provides a lot of support and protection. Okay, it's the white outside of our long bones. Okay, and then we have spongy bone. Spongy bone is filled with open spaces, as you can see from that visual. It has a network of like needle-like bone projections that adds strength, and it actually helps to resist torsion, which is the twisting of bones, which is important if you think about how many times that you have one of your feet in place and you twist and turn. The spongy bone is helping to prevent fractures in those cases. But spongy bone also helps to make our skeleton lighter, so it's not so hard to actually move our bones around. Bones can be classified by shape, right? So there are 5 main shapes of bones, and we're going to go through them one by one. First, we have long bones. Okay, long bones are, like the name suggests, long and thin. The location would be in your legs, in your arms, in your fingers and your toes, and also your clavicle. Okay, your collarbone is a long bone. The function of these bones is to support the weight of your body and provide leverage, okay, in order to help with movement. And then we have short bones. Short bones are irregular cubes. The location are in your carpals, your wrist, and your tarsals, your feet. And they provide some stability, but also allowing movement. Okay, it's stability with movement. And then we have sesamoid bones. Sesamoid bones are small and round like a sesame seed. That's where the name comes from. Location is the patella. So we have our kneecap, all right? Now that's the sesamoid bone that we all have, but there are other sesamoid bones that might depend on your individual body makeup. Okay, there are some that are found in the gastrocnemius, in the calf muscle in some people, but again, the only one we all have embedded in our tendons is the patella. So it is designed to protect your tendons from compressive forces, so squishing. Okay? And then we have flat bones. Flat bones are thin but curved. Okay, so it's our ribs, our scapula, that's our shoulder blade, the sternum, the bone in the center of your chest here, our cranial bones, and also your pelvis. And the function of these bones is for protection. So think about it. Your cranium protecting your brain, okay, your sternum and your ribs protecting your heart and your lungs, okay, your pelvis protecting reproductive organs. And it's also an important site for muscle attachment. All right, then we have irregular bones. And irregular bones have a complex shape. So they don't fit smoothly into one category. So our vertebrae, for example, very strange shape. Our facial bones, which are going to be even unique based on us. The mandible, our jawbone, and the hyoid, the bone that our tongue attaches to. So again, these are going to provide some protection and also spots for muscle attachment. Think the hyoid, right? That's where your tongue muscle is. And that's it. I told you this one was short. Those are the types of bones. Okay, so we're going to be delving into more material in the skeletal system, but sometimes it's nice to have a short lesson. So I hope you learned about the types of bones, and we'll see you next time.